Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out 70m's flagship dash cam, the A810. This is a 4K 1080p dual dash cam. We also have the 4G hardwire kit and standard hardwire kit there. Let's check out the advertising on the box. We have 4K with HDR, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, AI motion detection, dual recording, and this side it's got the same advertising. Alright, let's see what's included inside the box. First of all, the instructions and rear camera user manual, some electric static stickers, on the main unit now. It's got a 3-inch screen, 4 menu buttons there. On this side we've got the power button, and looks to be the microphone. This is the adjustable lens where the mount attaches, some ventilation on the top there and the bottom as well. Also an indicator light, and finally this side from left to right, we've got the memory card slot, power in, and the rear camera port. Nice unit, feels solid and well built. Okay, onto the rear camera now. This is a 1080p camera. It's got plenty of ventilation in the back there. The mount's fully adjustable. Okay, and the accessories, got the front to rear camera cable. Type-C power cable, trim tool, "12-volt power plug with a spare USB for a phone or something else, and the front camera mount. Onto the 4G hardwire kit. Type-C power cable, some instructions and a SIM card tool there, just like you'd get from with your new mobile. So this is the base unit. It's probably about the size of a regular soda can. It's got a reset button and power indicator. This is a SIM card slot for nano SIM. And power in there. It's got a sticky pad on the bottom if you want to mount it directly to your dashboard. It's got the regular red constant, yellow ignition, and black earth cable. Okay, the standard hardwire kit now. User manual. Got a Type-C power cable and same cable configuration as the 4G setup. Let's install the A810 and do the road test.
Attention to pedestrians.
we check out the 4G remote surveillance. Okay, so I've caught the train down to Sydney this morning and left my car at the local train station. By road it's about 100 kilometres. In a direct line it's probably more like 60 or 70 kilometres away, but it's probably as far away as I'll be during the period I've got this installed, so I thought it was a good time to log in and show you. Okay, we're online there. Let's join. It's a Saturday, so the car park's pretty quiet. Telstra's the carrier recommended by 70mi. There's the live rear view. We'll flick back to the front now. When you're connected via 4G, the app gives you instant real-time alerts that pop up on your phone. As for the AI motion detection, just like the ADAS, the dashcam to determine if there's a threat. So essentially, the camera will save the recording to a file. We've just manually taken a photo. And now we'll do a short recording. A person walking through the car park to another vehicle, for instance, may not necessarily be regarded as a threat, like standard motion detection as we know it. You can change the motion and collision sensitivity detection here instantly. And vehicle location map. Find my car. You can easily log in to locate your vehicle. This is the 4G module installed and sitting in the corner of the dash. That's the front camera. We'll just flick over to the rear camera. Settings. Video encoding to high. Resolution to 4K. There's an option here for full HD 60 frames per second. Duration to a minute. High dynamic resolution on. Watermarks and logo on. Mirroring and rotation. Oops, I pressed that by mistake. That's to adjust the images after you install if needed. AI parking mode settings. Collision and motion detection to high. Voltage setting. Plenty of variables there. We'll just leave that on 12 volts for now. ADAS, we'll turn that on. This dash can determine the difference between bikes, cars and pedestrians. I'll also show a quick example of these now.
Caution, front car. Lane departure. Attention to pedestrians. Attention to riders.
Sound settings, they look fine. Screen settings, this one's the personal preference, we'll leave it on 30 seconds. Auto off, this is for the cars that utilise 12 volt power. Once it's shut down, you can continue recording. Time date format, leave that. Speed to kilometres, format card, all okay. Back to the menu, show you the library. That's where all the videos and footage are stored. I'm just going to run through a few of the highlights of this dashcam. The A810 has a Sony Starburst 2 IMX678 sensor. It certainly gives brilliant 4K imagery. It's probably the best on the market right now in terms of sensors. AI parking mode works really well. Super Sensing Advanced Driver Alert System, or ADAS, is the best I've seen in a dash camera. The A810 can determine the difference between bikes, pedestrians and or vehicles. Add to that the 4G LTE remote viewing with instant app alerts, and you have the complete package at a very affordable price. In conjunction with the upcoming Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales, we've got a discount code in the description for the A810. Just follow the links provided. Okay, that's all for now. Aussiecams over and out.